Hello and welcome back to another video at D.S.R, and today I am back with my MT07 2021. If you saw my last video, you'll know that I did a couple of mods just to start me off, including fitting the radiator guard and also fitting the rear bobbins. One mod that I'm very excited to do will be to fit a brand new exhaust system. So before I do that, I just want to do a little video to show you what the stock exhaust sounds like. I have already given the bike a little warm up, gone around the block a few times, so here we go. So there you have it, a little sound test for the stock exhaust on the MT07 2021. As always, it would be really great if you could support the channel by liking the video and giving us a little subscribe. In the meantime, I'm going to go and get this dirty girl washed, and we will see you very soon. Ride safe!